How can you make money blogging? Hey guys, this is Juan here from Online Entrepreneur Now, where I talk a lot about online marketing, business, and self-development. And in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 ways you can make money from blogging. And you can see that I'm filming from a car, and this is because in my work, I spend a lot of time outside in the car. So I decided to make that time useful and try to shoot some videos for you guys. So before you start writing your blog, you gotta choose a niche. You gotta choose what audience are you going to target. And you gotta know what you're gonna be writing about. But we'll talk about it a bit later after I talk about the 5 ways you can make money blogging. So the first way you can make money blogging is by using Google AdSense. And basically it means that you place ads on your website, and when people see them or click on them, you get paid. So if you start blogging and you attract readers to your blog and they see the ads and they click on them, you can get paid. But you need to know that in order to make good money from AdSense, you're gonna have to bring in a lot of traffic to your site, and it's gonna take some time. So be patient if you choose that route. The second way you can make money blogging is by using affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is a great way to understand online marketing in general and online business, because you don't have the risk of producing any products or services. All you have to do is market products that you have benefited from and can benefit your audience. So for example, let's say that you bought a camera on Amazon and you like that camera, you think it's good, and I recommend you only promote products that you really benefited from and not just any product just to make money, because you want to build a relationship with your readers, with your audience. So going back to the example, let's say that you bought a camera on Amazon and you liked it. Amazon has got an affiliate program that is called Amazon Associates. So you can place affiliate links on your blog, and when people go to read your blog, they can click on these affiliate links, and if they end up buying from you or from Amazon, you get paid a commission for it. And Amazon commissions usually are around 6 to 10%, so it's not that much. But if you target expensive products that cost over $1,000, then you can make some good money. And if you've got a lot of traffic coming to your blog, then let's say that even if you sold $100 camera and the commission is 10%, and you got $10 from one customer, let's say that 10 customers buy it, you already got $100. Okay, so you don't need much in order to make money. And if you want to sell some high-end services and you want to make some big buck on affiliate marketing, then I recommend you sell digital products like courses or ebooks. And in digital products, you can earn commissions of 50%, even up to 75%. And this is because there is no overhead in producing digital products. So you can sell a course that costs $2,000 and you can make 50% to 75%. So you understand how much money you can make from affiliate marketing? That's insane. But again, you need to build a relationship with your audience. It's not gonna happen overnight. You've got to bring in traffic, produce really high quality content, and promote those products in your blogs. The third way you can make money blogging is by selling your own products or services. With your blog, you attract the readers to your website, and then you promote your products or services in your blog. And when people are reading your blogs and they see that you produce high quality content, they are going to trust you more, and if you develop the right relationship with them, then they will end up buying your products or services. And it's a great way to bring in traffic to your website and sell your products or services. The fourth way you can make money from blogging is by getting brand deals. And this is gonna happen later on in your blog after it's grown and it's got a big audience. And what it basically means is when you've got a big audience in your website and you've got a lot of traffic coming in, then brands that want to promote their products or services can turn to you to feature them in your blog post. And they can pay you a lot of money just to feature them in your blog post. it can be hundreds of dollars, even to the thousands of dollars. So after you've developed a nice readership in your website, you can just feature other brands in your blog posts and you can make a decent income from that. The fifth way you can make money from blogging is actually not having your own blog, but being a freelance writer for other blogs. Okay, so if you're a good writer, you can offer your services to other people, and if you know how to write very well and even understand copywriting, you can make a lot of money from it. Just take into account that in this option you're trading time for money, so it's not passive income, but it's a great way to make an extra income. Even if you have your own blog and it hasn't grown yet and you want to make some money, you can write for other people and it will develop your writing skills as well as make you good income. Okay, so after we talked about the different ways you can make money blogging, and there are probably more ways that I haven't mentioned in this video, but I just wanted to give you 5 to start with. You need to think about what niche do you want to be in? What do you want to write about? What are you interested in? And also, if there is a demand in this market. So what you need to do first, if you can think of 3 things that you're interested in, write them down, and then go to forums like Quora, go to Google, go to keyword tools and start searching what people are asking around this niche and see if there is a demand for it or not. If there isn't a lot of questions and there isn't a lot of traffic if you're using keyword tools, then it's not a good option even if you're interested in it, because you won't get a lot of traffic and nobody is gonna find your blog. So you gotta balance the interest with the demand. So after you chose your niche and you've done your research, you gotta start writing your blog posts and drive traffic to them. And you can do it in several ways. The first way is using SEO, which is search engine optimization. And what it basically means is you optimize your blog posts for search engines, and you do so by using keyword phrases. So let's say that I'm a user on Google and I'm searching for how to bake a cake. If you create a blog post about baking cakes, you should include those keywords in your title, in your description, in your meta title and description, in your URL maybe. Okay, so you gotta include how to bake a cake in your blog post, so Google understands that this blog post is relevant to that user. Now, optimizing your blog for SEO is the best way to really get consistent and growing traffic over time. Because it's a search engine, it's evergreen content that will get searched over the years and it will never disappear. Unlike, for example, social media, which is the next way to drive traffic, but SEO is the main way you're going to drive traffic to your blog posts over time, consistently, and in a growing rate. So moving on to the next method of driving traffic to your blog is social media. So posting your blog post when it releases to Twitter, to Facebook, to Instagram, basically everywhere you can, will help you drive more traffic to your blog. And over time, your following will increase if you do it right, if you know how to engage on social media. It's not as consistent as SEO, but it's free and it's an extra way of driving more traffic to your website and to your blog. The third way of driving traffic to your blog is by answering questions on forums and pointing out your articles as a solution for some of them, or going to Facebook groups and helping people there. Now, I mean helping. I don't mean you go and just plug in your link everywhere you can. Really try to help the community and be a positive person and a helpful person, and people will trust you. Okay, you don't want to be a spammer. Really go and help people. If your article is relevant, then you can offer it to them if it helps them. Another way you can drive traffic is by paying for it. Okay, so you can use ads to drive more traffic to your blog. And you gotta understand that costs money and it's not consistent, but if you wanna start the ball rolling and pour gas on the fire, then paying for ads is a great way to drive a lot of traffic in a short time to your blog. Maybe develop some awareness around your blog using ads is a great way too. And yeah, you can drive more traffic to your blog post using ads like Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever. There are infinite platforms that offer you a place to advertise, so use them. So to recap what we've talked about, first of all, you gotta choose a niche. You gotta choose what you will be writing about and who is your audience. Go do your research. After you've done that, you gotta choose in what way you wanna monetize your blog posts. Okay, so let me remind you what we've talked about. We've talked about Google AdSense. We talked about affiliate marketing. We talked about selling your own products or services. We've talked about brand deals. And we've talked about being a freelance writer and writing for other people. Okay, and after you decided the monetization method, then you gotta start driving traffic to your blog by using SEO, using social media, using ads, using forums and Facebook groups, and so on. And I personally use Wix to blog and for my website. I find it really helpful and really easy to use. And in the past, Wix wasn't considered good for blogging because it wasn't optimized in terms of the blog itself and in terms of SEO. But Wix has actually improved a lot in those areas. And you can watch these two videos on the screen right now and see how they improved and how well optimized they are right now. And yeah, if you wanna start blogging right now, then grab your free Wix account in the link below in the description and start blogging, start making money online, guys. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, then leave me a thumbs up. That really helps me out. If you want to watch more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel and make sure you click on that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos that I release. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below and I will make sure to answer them. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.